Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog, and today I am cleaning up. So I just filmed a video. It is Monday, so it's my film day, and so I took a shower, put on my makeup. Wasn't lazy because I'm trying to convince myself that doing videos, if you don't get ready, you know what I mean, like that's kind of like a lazy way to do videos. So I'm cleaning up my mess. Let me show you that. Okay, so I just picked up all of my stuff. I just did this. I forgot to share this, so I don't know what I want to do with it. I have to film the rest of this makeover, so I'm making some minor adjustments, and this was what I ordered to take up this space. Now there is a little bit of space here, and I don't know what I want to do about that. I don't think that it's that big a deal, but because we're moving in a month and I just don't feel like it's worth, messing around with. So I moved this lamp over. My lighting was really frustrating today. I won't lie. I was very annoyed. Plus it's getting so hot in Northern California. It's like 80 something. And I obviously I'm ready for summer, but well, I'm not ready for summer, girl, because I hate summer, and I'm a summer baby, but I hate summer. So I picked up all my garbage. I did get my posters. So there's my posters. And I need to switch them out. Now, one was damaged. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but one was damaged. So I don't know what it's going to look like in these frames, because these frames are not expensive at all. So I have to switch these out. And I'm probably going to film myself doing that because I really need to get the makeover done, because we're going to be moving and we're starting to see houses this week. Actually, it's Monday, the 16th, I think. I think the 16th is today. St. Patrick's Day, I think, is tomorrow. Alexa, what's the date today?
Today is Monday, March 16th.
Yeah, so today's the 16th, and so I have to get this done. So with that said, I just put those back under there. I tweaked, and I just showed in a previous video that I got this little set. Look how cute that is. Oh my God, it's so cute. I love it so much, and I love that it's cream and not white. I just put those up there. I don't know if I should put them down here, because originally I had them like I don't know what to do. Like, I guess I could put this here. I'm debating on whether to keep this. I got this at a thrift store, and I keep like wondering if I want to use it, but it's more like I got it for fall. I didn't get it for winter at all, but it is a neutral color. So I was thinking maybe I should keep this like this, maybe. Like, I wasn't sure exactly how to do it. You know what I mean? I don't know what looks good. I had them in that thing right there, and I don't know, because I had this way. And then I shouldn't have put that. I put that mug on there, this one. What I want to get is like a teacup style of a set thing for here. This is too heavy. I just feel like it's weighing it down. So what I could do, I don't know how to put it. I got to get an idea or something. I'm not really sure. I can't put these on the bottom because they have the stems, and I talked about that before. So maybe I should just get another one of these jars. Like, for now, I just had it like that. I don't know. I'm not really sure. I wanted to have a place, though, for a mug, Like, I don't have a place for a mug. Maybe I should, I don't know. I'm trying to play with this a little bit because I don't really know. I don't really know what to do with this, to be honest. That's too, see, you can't see it. What I could do is maybe use this. I need to go to Dollar Tree. I haven't been to Dollar Tree in ever. I could put that, like, I have a white one. See, I could put that there. And then, I don't really know. I'm just playing right now. I have no idea what I'm doing. No idea at all. Yeah, I don't really like that. So let's get this out of here. I don't know. Maybe I should just keep this here, and then just keep this like this, and then just get like a teapot, like a really pretty mug set, and put it right there. You know what I mean? That's lightweight and small. Like, you know how teacups are really small. So that's what I was thinking for that. I don't know, girl. I have no idea. But this is not working. So I'm going to leave it like that just for the moment, and then I'll figure it out later. Okay, I am coming in so I can share with you really quick. Sorry, I took my hat off. I took my earrings off. I didn't even do my shorts, you guys. Anyway, this is the candlestick box I was telling you about. Yeah, my hair, sorry. I took it out, so it's flat. I look like a lady from the Dark Ages. Anyway, Lizzie Borden. Anyway, so you take the base off, or the base comes by itself, right? So let me make sure I'm straight there. I don't know if I'm straight or not. Hopefully I am. Anyway, so the base is here. This comes as a stem and you just screw it inside, right? You screw it and then you take this part, which is it came in its own packaging. And so I'm basically just going to twist it. Okay, so there it is. That's what they look like. So there's 3 different ones. There's a long one, a middle one, or no, a long one, a middle one, and a small one. So that's what they look like for $5. I think they were $5, but not bad. I mean, like I said, if they're not the color that you like, then you can just rub and buff them. So they did include these little bottoms, so they're not hollow like that. So let me put those on. I guess you could just come with me here. So I'm going to take this and just put it on here. I don't know. It's not really secure, to be honest. I mean, I just put it on the bottom there. I'm using cinematic mode. I like cinematic mode. So anyway, that's how you do it. So it has a base. So it's not, because if you don't put these on, then they stay hollow like that, which you could keep them like that if you want to, but at least with these, they won't. I'm trying to see if I kind of didn't put it on right. I kind of put it on. You got to be careful. Like, I guess they just come right off. Okay, let's see. I need my glasses. Let me grab my glasses. Let's see. I think that's, I'm just trying to put the, see? Just put it on like that. I don't know if I did it right or not. Hopefully I did. But you just put it on like that. So that's what I'm going to do to each one of them. They're just little felt. When you set them down, though, they kind of look off. Oh, well. Like I said, you don't have to use those. You could just use these, you know? You just keep it open if you want. They might be more steady that way, to be honest. But I'm going to go ahead and just put these on because that's the way it came. I wish I'm going to get more of these, like I told in the haul. I don't know if you saw the haul, but these, I like these so much. So very cool. This is really nice. They have several of those different styles and stuff, and they're really cool. So here's another felt piece. I'm just putting it on the base of this candle. These are Dollar Tree, like literally Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree probably sells these for cheaper than Temu, maybe. Okay, so I just put that one on also. I don't know how good I'm putting those on, but I'm just kind of throwing them on there. But they are steady. I feel like they're more steady, you know, when they have the black base on them, rather than just being like open like that. I feel like they do better. This vase, you guys, so pretty. Look at, what? Look at this vase. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh my God. And it wasn't even that much. It was like less than $10. Really pretty. Like vintage quality, but not vintage quality, if that makes sense. You know what I mean? Like it's not original. So I'm just taking this last base one and putting this on this one. Now, I don't know if I want to use these in here is the question. I mean, because I'm kind of overloading the room and I don't have any bookshelves or anything. Like, so I don't have a lot of shelving. Even on my desk, I don't have room. My monitors are too big. So there we go again. And so, yeah, so now they're all set. Okay, so I'm going to show you. I'm putting this here for now. I turned you around. So, see, that's where I put the vase. And then here's the candles. Right side by side, I guess. They're really, really lightweight. They're featherweight. That's what they look like from a distance. That's what the set looks like. So I got to film these for, sorry, I have to film those for the short. I need to do a short. So I don't think I'm going to be in the short this time. I think I'm just going to film the product. And then here's that little frame. It just needs to be rub and buffed. It's too gold for me, so I'm going to have to buy some rub and buff. This was that little disc thing I got. It's okay. It's pretty though, huh? It's pretty. Definitely has the colors I'm using. And then, because I was so blown out in that damn video, God, I was so irritated. See how pretty that is? So I think I'm going to do this, put this box on there right now. So let's see what that looks like over there. And let me put this box together real fast. And I don't know where to put you. Let me see. I'll put you on the espresso machine. Okay. So It's getting to the point where every time I take my readers off, I can't see anything, and I'm kind of scared. I think I ruined my eyes wearing those. Readers I know are not made to wear all the time, but I'm always so close to the computer and stuff that like I have to see. Okay, so this is like a gift box, like I told you. So if you saw the haul, if you didn't see the haul. So anyways, these come, oh, there is, okay. Those didn't have that. These have like a, oh crap, hold on. These have like they have a sticker thing on the bottom right here. They have a sticker, so let me see. I want to see what this looks like over there. I'm just trying to, it's a gift box. They made it like a gift box. Thanks, China. You know what I mean? Hold on. Oh, man. I can't wait to have my office set up for good, though, for the rest of the spring and summer. April, May, June. In the end of July, I got to change everything again. Boy, you only get to enjoy it like 3 months. God, that's a lot. It's a lot of work to try to stage everything. It's a lot. Okay, so like I said, this is like a gift box. They have it set up like, they have it set up like a gift box. So let me peel this. I can't see, hold on. Yeah, I think I'm gonna need glasses. Here we go. All right. Okay. So this one I like better because it has a seal, see? So these are the faux boxes. These are just gift boxes though, so they're not the same quality. The stuff you get at Marshall's and Ross, you know, that are like literal storage boxes. But nonetheless, I think this is pretty. So we're gonna put this underneath that one. Let's see what it looks like. I'll show you in just a second. I still feel like this vase is too big, but it's okay. It's all right. These boxes though, I definitely gonna use in the next house. I wanna actually go ahead and put them together, I think. They're not bad. I mean, they're flammable for sure. If they get around fire, forget it. They're gonna go up in flames. But they are just paper though, for sure. They're just literal gift boxes. Okay, I just gotta make sure this lines up. Okay, guys, so I'm going to jump in here. I got this, so I was wondering what I needed to get for this room just to kind of make it different. I was already struggling with the room because, as you can see, the wall behind me is very short, so it doesn't like line up to the other wall. So I just wanted something to kind of complete the room, and then it just dawned on me. I don't know why I didn't look on Pinterest. I didn't get any kind of, idea from somewhere else. I just thought, wait a minute, maybe I should put some kind of a mannequin or something. Now, there were several of these on Temu. I did get this on Temu. I got it for $49. When you receive it, as you can see me opening it out of the box, it's super light, you guys. This thing is incredibly flammable. If it even got near any kind of a warm thing, it's basically so flammable. But if you're careful, and you probably could, I don't know, maybe there's something out there that you can put over stuff like this that doesn't make it flammable. But there were several of these. They had a ton of different patterns. And with that said, I just decided the one that I really wanted was like a pattern on the mannequin itself. And I think I'm going to order that anyway. And I think I'm going to bring this solid white one in my room because I really like the look of this. And then you can order, any kind of a dress or anything. And you guys know I love my retro. So I was on the fence whether I should get a 1940s type dress style for her or a 1950s, and I'm gonna go, I think, to start with the 50s. The 40s is more of a pencil style, and because she's not a full body mannequin, I just don't know if a pencil style will work on this mannequin. So we're gonna go with a petticoat type thing instead. So that is what we're doing, and in a second here I'm going to show you what it looks like in its entirety.